Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Shopify store for B2B wholesale selling. If you want to sell your products to other businesses, shops, stores, or bulk buyers, this setup can help you do that. This means your customers can buy in larger amounts, and you can give them special prices that are different from your normal store prices. Step 1. Open your Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify account and open your Shopify admin. This is the main page where you control your store. From here, you can manage your products, customers, orders, prices, shipping, and payments. Before you start setting up wholesale selling, make sure your store already has your basic products added. To check your products, go to Products on the left side menu. Click Products, then look through your product list. Make sure your product names, prices, photos, and stock are correct. If something's missing, click the product and update it first. This will make the wholesale setup easier later. Step 2. Decide how you want to sell wholesale. Next, decide if you want to use the same store for regular customers and wholesale customers, or if you want your store to be mainly for wholesale buyers. If you are just starting out, using the same store is usually easier. That way, you can manage everything in one Shopify admin. You can still give business buyers their own prices and their own buying setup, so regular customers can see normal prices while your wholesale buyers can see their own prices after they log in. Step 3. Go to the Company section. Now you need to add your wholesale buyer as a company. To do this, go to Customers on the left side menu. Then click Companies. This is where you add business customers. A company can be a shop, a reseller, a store owner, or any business that wants to buy from you. Click Add Company. Now type the company name. Add the main contact name, email, phone number, and business address. Make sure the email is correct because this is the email the buyer will use to log in and place orders. Step 4. Add a company location. After adding the company, you also need to add the company location. A location is the place where the company wants to receive the order. This can be their store, office, warehouse, or another shipping address. Inside the company page, look for the Location section. Click Add Location. Add the address, city, country, and other needed details. If the company only has one address, just add that one. If they have more than one shop or office, you can add more locations later. Step 5. Add the buyer to the company. Now you need to add the person who will order for the company. Inside the company page, look for the customer or contact area. Click Add Customer or Add the buyer if they already exist in your customer list. Add the buyer's name and email. This person will be able to log in and place orders for that company. You can choose what they are allowed to do. For a simple setup, let them place orders for the company. This makes it easy for them to buy from your store without needing to contact you every time. And that is how you set up a Shopify store for B2B wholesale selling. Start by adding your company, then add the buyer, create the catalog, set the prices, check payment and shipping, and test everything before sending it to real customers. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.